920 cross on the 15 now. We got the 920 cross on the 5. Come on, pull back. Give me a long setup. I'm gonna grab some calls here if I can get this setup. Pulled the trigger there. Just got some right there on that PCH, right in the trigger range. I'm setting a sell order out here, so if we can get a quick pop up into that 70, I'm gonna take a couple of these off, pay myself. Took profits on the long. I'm down to 2 contracts. So, I mean, if we do break up, I still have a couple contracts. I just sold one, got $10 out of that one.